Hello, I'm in a 2009 Nissan Versa, and today I'm going to show you how to open the gas cover so you can fill your car and keep on the road. So first, from the driver's side, you're going to go down here. You should see this little lever, little resistance you pull. Once or twice you do it. So yeah, on the underneath here, if it's needed, there's a little cable, and there should be some tension on this cable. If there's not, or it's not attached, you want to make sure that is attached. But now that we pulled that, we'll go back around here. Now it's opened, so we can open this up, unscrew, fill with your unleaded gas as needed, screw this back on, and when you're done, close this all back up. And now it's got that safety feature again, so you'll have to go back to the driver's side to reopen it. If none of that's working properly, like as mentioned, you need to check those cables. Otherwise, once you do get this open, maybe check to make sure there's no like loose debris or something caught in the mechanism that's keeping this locked. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.